Hello, my name is Eric. I'm 6 years old. This is a watch. Two colors, green and pink. My mom and I play my together. 5 cars. 5 cars. Hello, my name is Eric. I'm 6 years old. This is a paper watch. There are 2 colors, pink and green. My mom and I made this together. I want to dust the 5 cards.
Now, everybody look at the watch. We have here a beautiful watch. Now, this is handmade, okay? So now, the starting price is 5 points. Who want to bid on it? Raise your hand. Oh, Henry! 10. Wow, 10 points. Who want to raise a bid? You have money, huh?
30.
14? 14 or 30?
15.
15. Okay, 15 coins. Now, who want to go higher than that? Oh, you do not have any coins. 17 now, Mark. Let's go.
Hello.
20. Can you go 21? You do not have 21, right? 20 going once, going twice, and so to Eric. Go. Okay, so Tom is coming to the stage. Let's give him $20. 1. Yeah, 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay?
6 rồi. 6. Hey. 6.
Okay, 20. Okay, that'll take a while.
7.
Okay, you guys take a picture first, and then you can count the money on the table.
10, 11, 12,
13, 14,
15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 đúng không?
Okay, one more. 19 is
À rồi,
okay. 20, okay, so that's good. So this is your watch, Mark. There you go. Now let's take a picture. Look at the camera. There, cute.